Once again at noon in the Twin Cities, it was 40 degrees under cloudy skies. Now the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. Today, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 50s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 30s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-40s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s. Northwest.
National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal